chat box. You can hear my voice. So, welcome everyone, and welcome to this channel where we are going to talk about long-term investing in detail. And also, before that, no, I just wanted to tell you about the stock. No, the currently whatever the results are going on and how the results are coming. And no, basically, if you see the you can say that I have never seen this type of market fall, no, the way it has fallen last few days. So we are going to talk about that. Can you hear my voice properly, guys? Can you just let me know? Okay, I'll just check it from here also. And guys, see, if you see the current results are not at all good. The way the things are going on, things are not in a proper way. And no, the position is 1 minute. Position is really bad. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, can you hear my voice, guys? Yes, now you can hear me. If you can hear me, just type yes in the chat box. Okay, sorry, I am not able to see this. Okay, chale guys, because there is some technical problem there. Okay, got it. Yeah. So guys, yes, so if you see the current results are not at all looking good. And the biggest problem is, no, the things are not going as per the way no it should be. I've never seen this type of result earlier. And there are lot many things happening. Like if you see the across the stocks and banks, and no, the way the results are coming, it's not up to the mark. And if you talk about the results, no, okay, one thing is the result. The other thing which is not going as per the way is the way, though you can say, no, the FI selling is happened. FI selling, if you see, already we crossed 1 lakh crore. This is the first time in a particular month you can see this type of big selling happening in the market. Okay, 1 lakh crore, it's like, no, it's a big amount. And this is the problem which we have, that uh, not started, not opening. Okay, just a minute, guys. uh, you are able to see me or no? Are you able to see my camera or no, guys? Okay, just a minute. Can anyone just type yes in the chat box? You can see, able to see my camera or not? Okay, yeah. Are you able to see now? Mhm. 1 minute, guys. I'm just trying again. Not opening. I don't know what is happening. Can you hear my voice? If you can hear my voice, just type yes in the chat box. You can hear my voice. It's 9:15. Okay, 1 minute. What is happening? Can you hear me? I don't know what is happening, guys, but can you hear me? Can you see? I don't know. Some are writing that they cannot see me. Some are writing they can see me. That's why I'm getting a little bit confused here. Are you able to see me? Then yes, we can see you. Just type in the chat box, so at least I'll able to see. I don't know. Some different messages are coming. Okay. Then I'll start. Okay. Then I'll start. Okay, if you can see me, just type yes. I can. We can see you. Okay, I'm not. See, okay. Let me. Hopefully, no. I think because I'm not getting proper message. Okay, chale. So, talking about the market, guys. Everything is okay. Okay, chalo. कोई बात नहीं. Okay. No, because some are writing still not started. That's why I told. Okay. See the what. Let me start again. See why. if you see, the market is falling a lot. Okay, the reason for market falling are simple. One is the big FII selling. What is happening? 1 lakh crore. If you see in the last 1 month, we have never seen this type of big selling happening in the market. Okay, so of course that is the selling pressure which we have currently. And of course DI already bought almost 97,000 crore rupees of already done. But then also, no, if you see, no, the FI selling so robust that it is bringing the complete market down. And that is the problem currently happening in the market, that no, overall the situation is not at all good. And no, if you see the way the FI selling, as it they were knowing that the results are not going to come so good, because across the sector, if you see, no, things were not at all no, as per the expectation. Whether we take banking, whether we banking, initially the all the result came very well. Okay, if you see Axis Bank, then HDFC was okay, Kotak was mixed bag, RBL Bank was not so great. But many other banks were no, was is initially was okay. Okay, but no, today result what we got it for the MFI, and of course the small finance banks and MBFC, no, are not so encouraging. And that is the problem currently the market is no facing, that no, things are uh, not going as per the expectation. And when the things are not going as per the expectation, then you can see this type of big fall in the market. And overall, the terrible situation currently what is going on is, you know, that there is no buying back happening. Of course, FI ने जितना बेचा, DI are buying according to that only, no, almost the same type of level they are buying. But there is no as such, no, you can say that what you can say, that robust buying coming in the market. Okay, and this is what is bringing the market completely down. Okay, and if you see, no, at every level selling pressure is there now. Today's, like yesterday was, which was the today was the big accident, was like this one, IndusInd Bank. Okay, that has fallen a lot. Okay, and when we talk about even the, no, Punawala Finance not given a good result, some of the NBFC and all that, they also not given good result. Extra provision, MFI loans problems are going on, and all this type of problem when it happens. So this is when we always face an issue, that by where the things are like in economy level, it's not going on well. When we talk about the FMCG, if you FMCG, if you see, no, FMCG is like, no, due to the this pressure of raw material. Okay, raw material prices has gone up a lot due to inflation. Okay, now because of the inflation, if you see here, lot of the like Hindustan Lever, Nestle, even many other FMCG companies, their growth was quite muted. And again, the because of the cost increase, their profitability was not so great. And this is what is hurting most of the, if you see the FMCG companies. And because FMCG was such a strong part of the market, it is actually, the problem is created there only. It started with that because FMCG is such a strong part of, if the defensive sector is not doing well, then it will have an impact in other sectors. If you ask me, no, in this terrible result season, I can tell you one thing, no, that I have tracked so many quarterly results. Now this is one of a terrible quarterly result, I can tell you, one of the most terrible quarterly result, because I never seen this type of fall coming in the stock level. No, every time, no, any company coming with the result. Okay, अगर आप देखो टाटा कंज्यूमर भी कितना खराब रिजल्ट आया, and market is punishing like left, right, center, no, when they are getting a bad result. That you have to keep in mind, guys, because no, if you have a bad result and if it is not coming as per the expectation, then it will have an impact. It will have a very very bad impact on the stock and everything. So keep this in mind always, guys, no, because at the end of the day, we are here to earn money. And when you have this type of result, normally the investor lose the actually confidence. And इसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है पता है, रिटेल इन्वेस्टर बहुत लेट जाते हैं, इससे पहले ना DII and all that will start selling it. Okay, and this is where the problem is created. Okay, if DII and all that will start selling it, then इवन FI स्टार्ट सेलिंग, बाद में रिटेल जागते हैं, बाद में वो उनको पता चल रहा है कि जब तक हम जागते हैं तब तक तो स्टॉक ही गिर गया है. And this is the position currently created, that in the first day only, if the result is coming bad, you see there are 20% downside, 30% downside, and this type of thing is happening. And this is what is currently going on in the market, and market is punishing left, right, center. And in this type of tough situation, we should be very, very careful. We should not take any type of FSR decision एंड जस्ट नीचे गिर गया है तो बाय कर लो, नहीं वैसा मत करना. देखो, अगर कोई रिजल्ट अगर खराब आ रहा है, थोड़ा शांति से रहो, उसको स्टेबलाइज होने दो, ठीक है, बाद में आप देखना. सी डिक्सन टेक्नोलॉजी yesterday, no, very good result. No, I think the profitability was so good, but now also you see it is almost down by 12%, correct, today. Guys, you can hear me properly. Just say Wi-Fi, yes, for the confirmation. I don't know, there is some technical problem. Some of the people are writing this, still they are not able to do it, but hope you are able to hear me. Then just type yes in the chat box, okay? And so talking about that only, see, when we like Dixon Technology given a good result, तो भी वो गिर रहा है. काफी सारे स्टॉक ने तो अच्छा रिजल्ट दिया तो भी गिर रहा है. Okay, that shows that there is a selling pressure, and when the selling pressure comes, it comes across the board. Okay, yeah, thank you very much. It comes across the board, and you cannot stop that one easily. And if you see in this situation, the biggest culprit is nothing but you can say the small cap and the mid cap situation. Okay, small cap and mid cap बहुत ही खराब तरह से गिर रहे हैं. I think now most of the stocks has fallen by almost 30% and all that. Okay, and the fall is quite brutal. And across the segment is happening. And this is okay. Thanks Lakshmi, Kois, Jaymandal, Amitwa. तो जब ये इस तरह का सेलिंग प्रेशर होता है ना, देन नॉर्मली बाइंग इतनी इजीली नहीं आ रही. पहले क्या होता था, फ्रॉम लास्ट 2 years, you can say 1 year at least, every 3 days selling happening, 4th day you are getting a buy. Even if the selling pressure is coming due to some geopolitical crisis and all that, ना बाद में एक लेवल पे बाइंग आती थी और 2 week में तो रिकवर हो जाता था. लेकिन this October month is something unique. No, it's falling and falling, it's not actually covering up. And that is where you have to be little bit careful. You have to be careful that which stocks you are buying. Okay, because it's like all the stocks you are getting in a big discount currently. But yes, it is the best time to buy. I'm no doubt about it कि ऐसा नहीं कि भाई बाई नहीं करना है, बाई तो करना है, लेकिन आप क्या बाय कर रहे हो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. नहीं तो क्या होगा कि आपको बेसिकली आप जो स्टॉक में इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो और उसका रिजल्ट और खराब आने वाला है तो आपके लिए प्रॉब्लम है. सो कीप दिस इन माइंड गाइस. डू नॉट बाय जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ बाइंग. Okay, do not buy for the just sake of buying. What you are buying is also very, very important, and that is why be careful. This is not the market where you just buy and एक वीक में भाग जाएगा. ये ऐसा मार्केट नहीं है. पहले तो ऐसा ही होता था, 1 year 2 year what used to happen. No, आप किसी में भी डालो अपने आप भागने लगता था. Stock used to run like anything, but now this time the things have changed. And one of the biggest factor we already discussed, but just again telling you, is nothing but the China factor. Okay, China factor एक ऐसा factor था कि कह सकते हैं कि आपको उसने एक momentum shift किया, that changed the momentum. Okay, that from when we are thinking only India is the beneficiary of Fed rate cut will happen and money will flow to India only. But because of the China stimulus package, whatever was announced, of course they want to revive their economy and all that. Because of that package, what happened, suddenly the flow started moving out. And that is a slowly, it's like slow poison. धीरे 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 करके FI बाय निकल रहे थे. हमें लग रहा है कि चलो ये टेम्पररी है, चल रहा है. Maybe there was they were knowing and we were not knowing that भाई result इतना अच्छा नहीं आने वाला है भाई, कुछ भी बोल लो. And again there was a pain in the system which no one was aware of it. Again the capital goods company still they have not come up with the result. We don't know what type of result they are going to come. Okay, तो pain वहां से चालू हुआ और that pain actually lasted a lot. And this is what is the no, you can say the problem created for the Indian stock market. So FI selling pressure था, and of course अभी देखो, you always have to keep in mind how FII sells and how DII is buying. Okay, FII जब sell करते हैं ना, FII sell at any rate. Okay, they will call their dealer and they'll say, boss, खुलते में जो भी भाव आए बेच. They'll never say कि okay, I'm selling 2% higher, 5% down, 10% up, or whatever it is. They will just sell. And when DII is buying, they are a value picker. Okay, they are a mutual fund, they are retail investor and all that. So they will always try to time the market. तो अगर DII को लगा कि भाई और नीचे मिल सकता है, तो वो नीचे का भाव डाल के लेने को ट्राई करेंगे. आप समझ रहे हो? And that's why normally FI selling and DI selling FI selling और DI buying में फर्क रह जाता है. And that's why you can see the lower and lower prices. So this is what is happening. DII, of course, they bought 97,000 crore rupees against the 1 lakh crore rupees of selling of FII. But the price at which you are buying, they are at a lower level, and that's why you can see the drop in the market. नहीं तो ड्रॉप आना ही नहीं चाहिए ना, अगर दोनों का सेलिंग एंड बाइंग सेम है. करेक्ट? Hope you are getting it. If you are getting it, just type G for getting it or G for got it. What I'm trying to convey. Why market is falling is the one of the reason is FII selling also, because FII selling उसमें भी उनको जैसे लगेगा कि भाई रिजल्ट अच्छे नहीं आने वाले या अच्छे नहीं आ रहे, तो वो तो धूम दबा के भागेंगे, उनको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. We are just one of the market against their basket of countries. Okay, suppose उनके portfolio में there are you can say maybe 20 countries, and we are one of the country where they've invested. So keep this in mind, guys. This is how no FI selling and DII buying is differing, and this is why no you can say that no the market is not actually sustaining at a particular level. अभी आप बोलोगे कि टेक्निकल 200 डीए में 100 डी में वो सब बात की बात है. देखो जब सेलिंग प्रेशर आता है ना, तब ऐसा ही आता है. And the problem is day by day whatever results are getting are not so conducive where it will stop the market at a particular level. Okay, and yeah, like honestly, when the markets, when the result season started, I thought, okay, चलो यार TCS का इतना रिजल्ट अच्छा नहीं आया, but बाद में all the major IT companies are overall good result. Initially banks का भी रिजल्ट सही आ रहा था, FMCG तो पहले से ही खराब आ रहा था. Okay, but suddenly from last 2 days, okay, yes, thanks Jay Igbote. So from last 2 days, what I can see that the way the IndusInd Bank given a result, the way some small finance bank and you can say that given a result, NBFC, like you can say the NBFC also not, many NBFC are not giving good results. So this is where the worrying sign comes that at a lower spectrum, okay, at a lower level, यानी MFI यानी माइक्रो फाइनेंस लैंडिंग जो होती है ना, MFL, that the pain is coming. That is what I can see now. Okay, now if the pain is coming at that level, then it will take some time to recover, and that is what is even Kotak told that at a micro lending they are having a problem. Many of the small banks are having a problem. Okay, today Punawala Finance has given Ujjivan, then the earlier the Fusion Microfinance that also got busted. तो ये सब जो रिजल्ट्स आ रहे हैं ना, वो इतना कंड्यूसिव नहीं है, और जो बता रहा है कि देयर इज अ पेन एट अ माइक्रो लेवल विच ऊपर के लेवल पे पता नहीं चला. और आई डोंट नो व्हाई आरबीआई इज नॉट टेकिंग means hopefully they are taking note of all this stuff, because they are telling that 7.2 GDP growth rate is there. मुझे तो दिख नहीं रहा है. If the results are such, then how you can say it is a 7% and 7.2% GDP growth rate? ऐसे growth rate में ऐसे result नहीं आते हैं. Again, is there at a pain at a you can say rural area or what? Even the consumption is going down. That means rural area में problem है. Even though rain was good, inflation is coming in control, then why you are getting this type of result? So something is going wrong, and which is not visible on the data, on the you can say the GDP data and all that one has to think about it. Okay, this is not I strongly believe that this is not a 7% GDP growth rate data, okay, or GDP growth rate result ऐसे नहीं आते. अगर अभी हमें पता नहीं how the capital goods results are going to come and all that, okay, this is still pending, and that is what is the problem. Shirid, हाँ फंडामेंट शिरिद, I don't know how long it will go. Honestly, अगर कोई मुझे बोलता कि before 10 days के भाई market will touch 24,000, I would have told the probability will be 5 to 10%, but see, it has just, so it has completely taken everyone out of the blue. See, अगर कोई आके बोलेगा ना ये मार्केट में कि भाई मुझे पता था ये 24,000 आएगा, तो वो झूठ बोल रहा है. किसी को पता नहीं था. एग्री और नॉट, इफ यू एग्री जस्ट टाइप बिफोर एग्री. करेक्ट, मानते हो ना कि ये किसी को पता नहीं था कि बिकॉज इंडिया फंडामेंटल विल बी फॉलिंग सो मच. हाँ, शायद कोई वॉर हो जाए या कुछ हो जाए, जियो पोलिटिकल क्राइसिस एंड ऑल दैट, वो बात अलग है. दैट्स एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर, बट दिस इज नाउ करंट डोमेस्टिक फैक्टर. And if you have a domestic factor in the place, then you have to be super careful, guys. Do not blindly invest. That is what my suggestion will be. Be careful in investing, because now the, yes, Agrawal, you correct, Mohit, you are right, the fundamental is completely changing, okay. uh, yes, Agrawal, that everyone is in a pain, everyone is in loss. Who is in a profit currently? अभी तो कोई प्रॉफिट में नहीं है, सबका अच्छा खासा पोर्टफोलियो गिरा हुआ है. बट और हमें पता नहीं है कहाँ रुकेगा. देखो, अब वो देखिए, नाउ द डायनामिक्स से चेंज. पहले अगर हम लोग बोलते कि हाँ भाई चाइना इज द रीजन, तो पता है कि चलो चाइना का स्टिमुलस पैकेज कहीं ना कहीं तो रुक जाएगा. दैट इज ओके, वो उसका जैसे रुकता है विल बाउंस बैक. But this is a result problem. Please understand, this is a bigger problem than what you think about China problem or US, because that external factor will come and go away. Geopolitical crisis will come and go away. But why the market is, Indian market has always done well? Because Indian economy is doing well. Now, if Indian economy is slowing down, now I am not saying it's a slowing down or बहुत खराब आ रहा है, नहीं. क्या वो, this is a sign of little bit of consolidation, or you can say time being that no, GDP may not grow, or maybe the results are not going to go up. तो फिर एक लेवल पे मार्केट रुक जाता है. And this, I think, after many quarters we are seeing this type of results, and that's why it's little bit worrisome, and that's why you can see worry in the market that कोई भी ये इस तरह के फॉल नॉर्मली आते नहीं है. जैसे आज मैं बताऊं कि I did not expected IndusInd Bank to have a 20% सर्किट डाउनवर्ड्स. सर्किट यानी 20% नीचे जाएगा, मैंने तो नहीं सोचा था, चला गया. So market is punishing left, right, center here, correct? And that you have to say yes, US election may be a factor, but इतना factor नहीं आता यार. Election तो आते हैं जाते हैं, अपने तो state election भी आके जाते हैं. But if you see, this is stock wise problem. Okay, now hopefully let's see in next 20 days and how that किस तरह से market रहता है वो हमें देखना पड़ेगा. But one thing is so sure, थोड़ा अपने को careful रहना है. Now, what about buying? Okay, so that is the main question, and that is what we are going to talk about on what to do from here. So here, of course, you have to invest. There is no option for that. Okay, you have to invest, but you have to be selectively selecting a stock, guys, because मेरे हिसाब से gone are the days where you can just blindly invest in this market, because this is the market where things will take time to recover. रिकवरी आएगी ऐसा नहीं है, लेकिन सॉलिड स्टॉक में ज्यादा आएगी कंपेयर टू एवरी स्टॉक विच यू जस्ट आपने हाथ रखा और वो चलने लगा. ओके, तो ये आप आपको थोड़ा ध्यान में रखना होगा. बाय द वे गाइस, होप you are there in our Telegram channel and all that, guys. I am just giving the link before I go, just to give you so this is the link, guys. If you are still not there, be there our in Telegram, where we are sharing lot of. Are you there or not? Just type yes or no in the chat box. And guys, this Sunday we are having a special Diwali session. Do attend, guys. Something special is coming on this session. So just attend that. I'm just giving the link. Be there. Okay. This is the link, guys. Special Diwali session. So be there on time. It will be Sunday 11 a.m. Okay, Sunday 11 a.m. So, talking about what to buy in this market, guys. See, buy in the market तो आपको थोड़ा किस तरह से आपको सिलेक्टिव रहना पड़ेगा. कहाँ सिलेक्ट देखो, IT has done well overall. If you ask me, know which sector is reasonably done well, then I think one of the sector is IT. I think one or two where the misses, one or two or three maybe misses, but overall this sector has done well, which was not doing well earlier. तो वो इस बार थोड़ा कहते हैं ना कि थोड़ा कंपैरेटिवली अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है. ओके, एंड सो आईटी हैज रियली डन वेल. बैंकिंग में क्या हुआ है, बैंकिंग में बड़े बड़े स्टॉक्स ने अच्छा किया है, like Axis, HDFC या you can say all that. Okay, SBI का भी ICICI का रिजल्ट नहीं है तो मैं बोल नहीं पाऊंगा, बट बड़े स्टॉक्स ने कंपैरेटिवली better result दिया है compared to, you can say, the smaller banks. Okay, yes, few are the banks were given a better result, like I think DCB has given a very good result. Karur Vysya Bank and all that has done very good. No, उसने भी अच्छा रिजल्ट दिया. तो बैंक्स में आपको थोड़ा बी सिलेक्टिव कौन से ले रहे हैं, लेकिन तो भी बड़े बैंक्स ने का सपोर्ट ज्यादा है कंपैरेटिवली. ओके, अच्छा guys, I have given the Twitter, sorry, Telegram message, Telegram link. Do join it, and of course I have given the Sunday session link. Now another like chemical is okay, धीरे धीरे चल रहा है, उतना कुछ खास है नहीं. The worst I think sector which has performed is I think FMCG. एफएमसीजी में कोई रिस्पेक्ट नहीं है. एफएमसीजी में सीरियसली देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम. एंड ये थोड़ा, लेकिन हाँ, अगर थोड़ा नीचे और आता है ना, यू कैन थिंक अबाउट बाइंग, बिकॉज लेकिन एफएमसीजी इज अ सेक्टर नो विच हैज ऑनेस्टली नो ओवर द टाइम नो. अगर मैं नेस्ले का भी रिटर्न देखूं, देन व्हाट इज द 3 years रिटर्न? इट्स आई थिंक मे बी 2 or 3%, नॉट मोर देन दैट. तो ये दिस इज नॉट अ सेक्टर विच विल गिव यू अ ग्रेट रिटर्न unless you pick up some small stock and no, it will run away, then it's a different thing. Overall, on a sector specific, no, I am not too much bullish on that. That means उस तरह का return नहीं दे रहा है, वो दे पाएगा, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है. That's why I'm not saying. Again, guys, you know that we have our recommendation service, so there also no, I normally avoid FMC because no, I feel that no, वो थोड़ा धीरे ही चलेंगे. And again, this price pressure and all that. Some of the sector which has done well, I think this I'll tomorrow I'll morning I'm going to release one video, but this brokerage and wealth management has really done well, that you can look at it. Even this consumer durables has not done so much okay, like polycap का भी ठीक ठाक था, और हेवेल्स का इतना अच्छा रिजल्ट नहीं था. फिनोलेक्स और आर केबल का रिजल्ट आ गया, बट आई एम नॉट एबल टू सी इन डिटेल, बट दैट वाज ओके कंपैरेटिवली. आज इंडिगो का रिजल्ट आया, इंडिगो रिजल्ट, बट इट हैज गॉन इन लॉसेस बिकॉज ऑफ द हाई ऑयल प्राइसेस. ओके, रेवेन्यू हैज गॉन अप बाय 14%, but overall now they are gone into losses because of the high oil prices. तो इसमें छुपने की जगह बहुत कम है, honestly speaking, छुपने की जगह बहुत कम है. That's why now you have to be very very selective in selecting a stock, and now be focused on the inflated now figures and valuation. Please be remain away from, I can tell you, maybe PSU, defense, railway. इन लोगों से, इन सब स्टॉक्स में से थोड़ा केयरफुल रहना है, क्योंकि अभी भी वैल्यूएशन हाई है. एट एवरी लेवल देयर इज अ सेलिंग प्रेशर कमिंग. ओके, सो कीप दिस इन माइंड गाइस, बिकॉज नो वहां क्या हो रहा है कि सब लोग इतने फंसे हुए हैं कि सब लोगों ने इतना इन्वेस्ट कर लिया है कि अभी एवरी लेवल पे हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि एक सेलिंग प्रेशर आ रहा है. तो अभी आपने कर दिया है तो बात अलग है, लेकिन नया इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए बी केयरफुल. ओके, दिस मार्केट इज नॉट एट ऑल रिवॉर्डिंग. मार्केट को थोड़ा भी बफर लगाना, ओवर वैल्यूएशन, वो नो, इट इज एक्चुअली ब्रिंग इट डाउन. ओके, हाउ लॉन्ग क्रूड ऑयल गो डाउन? अग्रवाल यार, ये क्रूड ऑयल का देखो एक सिंपल सा हिसाब है यार. ये बेसिकली मिडल ईस्ट के क्राइसिस पे डिपेंडेंट है, पर लेकिन 74-75 घूम रहा है. इट विल रिमेन देयर ओनली बिकॉज चाइना स्टिल नॉट कमिंग अप. सी, अगर होना होता तो देन इजराइल ईरान क्राइसिस वॉट एवर हैपन एट दैट टाइम नो, ये क्रूड ऑयल इट शुड हैव गॉन 80 अबव, वो गया नहीं है. दैट मीन्स क्रूड ऑयल इटसेल्फ इज अ वीक, बिकॉज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यूएस में भी क्या हुआ है कि जैसे यूएस में डिमांड थोड़ी कम है, लेकिन दूसरा एक, हाँ, एक पॉइंट जो है, इलेक्शन आ रहा है, और दूसरा वहां की बॉन्ड यील्ड ऊपर जा रही है. Bond yield has reached to 4.2, 4.3, and which is putting pressure again on the Fed. Then they cannot cut the interest rate. Now, chances are that they are going to cut the interest rate in November, December, hopefully 25 basis point. But earlier the 50 basis point cut was there, वो नहीं होने वाला है. उसका इम्पैक्ट इंडिया में भी आ रहा है. अब इंडिया में पता नहीं आरबीआई कब करेगा. होपफुली अगर ये जो रिजल्ट्स आ रहे हैं तो थोड़ा आरबीआई जाग जाए और मे बी दिसंबर में कट कर ले. बट अदरवाइज द वे द इन्फ्लेशन लास्ट टाइम केम अराउंड 5.5 समथिंग, नो, आरबीआई मे नॉट कम इन द दिसंबर, इट मे कट द रेट ऑन द फेब्रुआरी मंथ. तो अब आरबीआई से भी अगर इंटरेस्ट रेट कट होता है तो कॉस्ट ऑफ लैंडिंग नीचे जाता है, कॉस्ट ऑफ फंडिंग नीचे जाएगा, देन इट विल बी बेनिफिशियल फॉर बैंक्स एंड एमएफआई एंड ऑल दिस एनबीएफसी. अभी अभी क्या हो रहा है, नो, दिस ऑल दिस स्मॉल स्मॉल बैंक्स, नो, दे आर क्लीनिंग देयर बुक्स ऑल, नो, टुगेदर ओनली. जैसे आज आज देखो कि वो पूना वाला ने पूरा अपना बेड डेप्स एक साथ बुक कर लिया, फिर बीच में ये फ्यूजन ने एक साथ पूरा अपना बेड डेप्स बुक कर लिया. And then again, no, there is lot of problem in management. No, management should have, यार ऐसा कैसे कि आप 900 करोड़ का book, okay, how you can book in one go? That is completely wrong. No, then why you are not booked earlier? Similarly was done by Fusion. Similarly और काफी सारे banks में हो रहा है. So somehow no, ये कहते हैं ना कि overall if you see here, then there is a problem on the transparency also from the management point of view. Anyways, that will go afterwards, but yes, no, if this type of thing is happening, no, then it is not at all good. Okay. What about Titan? Titan, see, Titan, if you ask me, the gold sector, jewelry sector is really doing well. In that, Kalyan Jewelers and no, I think PNG, Titan, Samco Gold, no, they have done very well, and I think they will do well also, because of course gold is on an all-time high, but overall, no, the demand is there. Again, festival season is there and all that. Of course, gold, that business is also, that sector is actually doing well. See, that is, no, we have to now, what I feel that no, we have to see a sector other than these core sectors, because these core sectors are somehow, no, they are struggling a lot, or again they are very well discovered. दे आर वेरी वेल डिस्कवर्ड, और सबको पता है कि भाई ये स्टॉक्स है, तो उसमें इतनी बढ़ोतरी नहीं हो रही है जितना अदर देन कोर सेक्टर. लाइक you see the platform businesses, this BSE, MCX, no, now CAMS, CDS, all that, this guys, this sectors is also doing very well. So is, I told you, brokerage, wealth management and all that. So basically, no, you have to be little bit smart here. Even honestly, like, let me be honest with you, this the way this quarterly result came, no, it has opened my eyes also, no. Even some of the result I have not expected, it will go so bad, so bad. Okay, like we give stock recommendation, guys, correct? तो मुझे भी, हम लोग पूरे दिन रिसर्च करते रहे, तो मैंने भी नहीं सोचा था, काफी सारे स्टॉक्स का मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि इतने खराब रिजल्ट भी आ सकता है. But that is what is market. No, it will always surprise you, and you have to be ready for that. Okay, and you have to accordingly, no, behave accordingly, no, shuffle your portfolio and all that. By the way, if you are our members, lot many shuffling is coming, so wait for that. We are just going to the quarterly result, then we'll tell you to shuffle and all that. And by the way, as I told you guys, if you are not our member, no, do attend this Sunday session, okay, at 11 a.m. If you know, it will a special Diwali session, be there on time. Okay, I just given the link. Okay, so be there. टाटा पावर लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए कैसा है? अच्छा है, लेकिन अभी रुक जाओ, टाटा पावर में भी रुक जाओ. थोड़ा संकल्प, नो, ऐसा नहीं कि सडनली भागने लगेगा. All this renewable sector and all this, of course the craze is there, but when it is the market is following, no, you'll get enough time to buy this. So Tata Power overall okay है, ऐसा कुछ खराब नहीं है उसमें. I think things are better for Tata. Is Indian stock market mainly depend on FI, Amitwa? ऐसा नहीं है कि mainly depend on FI. See, FI is selling. If you see, in last 4 years, FI has sold almost more than 6 lakh crore rupees. Against this, we have bought almost more than 14 lakh crore rupees of buying. DI has bought. तो ऐसा नहीं है. We are capable enough to absorb all the selling. But the problem, as I told you, that when the level at what they sell and the level at what we buy, there is always a gap, and that gap is nothing but at that level market is falling. क्योंकि डीआई ऐसे नहीं है ना कि जाके तुरंत बाय कर लेते, वो वेट करते प्राइस को नीचे आने का, जबकि एफआई जब बेचते तो वो कोई भी प्राइस में बेचते हैं, करेक्ट. So you have to keep this point in mind. Okay. What is if there is a ceasefire in Israel, Hamas, there will seem some news regarding it. बात है ना, वो होगा, लेकिन वो उसका इतना बड़ा इशू नहीं है अपने पास. अपने मीन्स इफ यू आस्क मी, नो, that is not a big issue what Indian market is facing currently. Indian market is facing currently their own fundamental issue of quarterly results. See, at the end of the day, what will decide that you will do well is your EPS. It's your company growth, how you are growing. Okay, and वही आपका डिसाइड करेगा कि किस तरह से ग्रो हो रहा है और समथिंग, करेक्ट. तो ये उसके वजह से ही होगा. देखो, ये अगर आप बोलो कि भाई ओवरऑल कि ईपीएस नहीं आएगा, यानी आपका ग्रोथ नहीं आएगा, तो क्या चीजें चलेगी? नहीं चलेगी. और एफआईआई भी क्यों आएगा आपके पास? एफआई आपके पास तभी आएगा जब आपका ग्रोथ होगा, करेक्ट. तो ये आपको थोड़ा ध्यान में रखना है कि ग्रोथ नहीं है तो कुछ नहीं है. ओके, नाउ 1 minute. So what if so that one to sir, could you please tell how to see intrinsic value of the show? Pankaj Jain, वो I think you are our member only. So Pankaj, आप I think in silver and gold membership, no, we have already given in detail, no, that how you can see that, no, intrinsically it's of course it will takes lot of time. It's a valuation thing, but yes, वो आपको वहाँ आप membership में है तो वहाँ आप जाके देख सकते हो. So Bajaj Auto Motors, can we buy? Bajaj Motor, Bajaj Auto overall, that actually, no, in auto sector that was the culprit. Okay, उन्होंने ही चालू किया ये मार्केट गिराना, करेक्ट. तो इनिशियली तो इतनी हालत खराब नहीं थी, लेकिन उन्होंने जिस तरह से कहते हैं, दे गिवन अ कमेंट्री दैट the festival season is not at all good, or no, properly है ही नहीं season, and that they started. Okay, and this Rajiv Bajaj was the first one, no, who told, no, that we are Rajiv Bajaj, yeah, or Rahul Bajaj, no, Rajiv Bajaj. Okay, sorry. राजीव बजाज टोल देम तो वी आर गोइंग टू रीच एट 10,000. तो वो तो पहुंच गए. अब फिर उन्होंने टारगेट दिया 20,000 का, उससे पहले वो लुढ़क गए नीचे. But they given a future guidance. Again, they told that in the commentary that festival season is not good, and no, things are not going as per the no, as per the norms it should be during the festival season. I think it was 1 or 2% growth compared to, no, what, 5 to 6% growth the market was expecting, and उसके वजह से मार्केट बहुत गिरा. और उसके वजह से बजाज ऑटो भी बहुत गिरा. बजाज ऑटो और थोड़ा नीचे आता है तो ऑफ कोर्स, नो, यू कैन थिंक अबाउट इट. द स्टॉक हैज डन एक्सट्रीमली वेल. It is giving a good fight to even Ola also. Actually, I was just reading yesterday that the Ola share is going down, and no other Hero MotoCorp or no उनका बढ़ रहा है. Okay, what about Zomato? Zomato, yes, result was okay only. Yeah, there is a problem of the fundraising issue. फंड रेजिंग उन्होंने किया है तो सबको लग रहा है भाई क्यों फंड रेज किया है, क्या जरूरत है फंड रेज करने की, बट अब भाई उनकी मर्जी. एंड नो, दे वांट टू सी एट द एंड, नो, दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी टफ कंपटीशन व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट क्विक कॉमर्स. लाइक, नो, Blinkit is coming with an IPO. Zapto is also doing a fundraising, and they also have to be staying in the competition, and that's why they have done the fundraising. So it's a neck to neck competition, guys, among all these players. And no, it's like, no, the demand is so big that they have to raise fund. Now because of that only the stock has fallen, but overall, no, Zomato is in much better position. हिमादारी अभी आसिफ रुक जाओ थोड़ा टाइम, देख लो क्या होता है, क्या रिजल्ट आता है, बाद में सोचो लेने का। अभी तो मैं यहाँ बोलूंगा, मैं ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग आई वांट टू वेट, बिकॉज before giving any buy call also now I want to wait for that particular stock result, because this result season is not a predictable reasons result season where मैं ऐसे बोल सकता हूँ हाँ भाई इतना हो जाएगा या उतना ग्रोथ हो जाएगा. This is the result season where no, you have to be little bit careful in selection and know which stock to select, and again no, basically the result is coming as per the expectation or not and everything. So be that's why no, I wait for the result instead of no just dying and no buying a stock basically. ठीक है. So TCS and all that, no, I'll not suggest that. TCS, I think there are much better stocks available. 2-3 कॉन्स्ट लाइक उनके गाइडेंस भी ऐसे ही होते हैं, 2-3% का गाइडेंस होता है, उसमें आप क्या कर लोगे. तो मेरे हिसाब से तो आई थिंक नो, यू शुड गो फॉर सम अदर स्टॉक्स एंड नो better IT stocks are available, not TCS. Okay. If FI is selling stocks and investing China, why is China stock are not hitting the roof? Maybe money is not going China. हाँ, ऐसा हो सकता है कि China is one of the factor. Or again, if they feel that okay, Indian valuation is too high, they are coming out from India and they are going to across other developing countries also. ओके, तो जरूरी नहीं कि चाइना में ही जाए. इट्स नॉट वन टू वन कोरिलेशन, but yes, China is one of the factor no where no everyone is thinking okay ठीक है पैसा यहाँ जा सकता है. तो okay, so but yes, you are right, there may be some other countries. In ITC result page number 4, explain what is going on. I have not seen that page number 456 A to Z stock, so I'll not able to answer that. But ITC result was okay, and they are going to focus on agriculture products and all that. Mainly the demerger what will happen no, between ITC Hotel, and that will have a ITC Hotel and the FMCG and all that, that will actually will unlock some value. So उस पे ही play करना है, otherwise तो growth will be remaining muted only. Okay, Tata Motors, yes, you should keep it. कोई इतना मुझे तो अभी इतना कुछ, देखो यार कभी कभी क्या होता है कि स्टॉक्स के अभी टाटा मोटर का रिजल्ट बाकी है, नो हीरो मोटर कॉप एंड ऑल दैट, नो अभी रिजल्ट आएगा तब तब पता चलेगा कि कैसा रहा है. ओके, बट अभी तो होल्ड करो, रिजल्ट की राह देखो क्या आता है. डिक्सन टेक्नोलॉजी एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी रिटर्न, लेकिन वही है कि वैल्यूएशन ऑलरेडी रूफ पे था और मार्केट गिर रहा है, एंड along with that Dixon also fallen, but Dixon, yes, it is given a very good growth. To give this type of result is not easy. It's not at all easy. So yes, Dixon is also doing well. Okay. लेकिन नीचे आएगा तब सोचो सचिन, इफ यू वांट नो यू कैन वेट फॉर सम टाइम, लेट इट कम डाउन, देन यू कैन थिंक अबाउट इट. पीएफसी मंथली चार्ट हैज गिवन बेस्ट. अरे समय नहीं हो गया अभी तो सभी ने ही यू कैन से नो नेगेटिव दिया है. करेक्ट. तो अभी तो क्या चार्ट देखे क्या, अभी सभी नेगेटिव ही है, तो कोई फायदा नहीं है देख के. विनायक, इंडिगो एयरलाइन का रिजल्ट आया, रिजल्ट में लॉस आया है, बट 14% रेवेन्यू जंप, पर लेकिन वो लॉस एक्सपेक्टेड था. The reason is then no, the oil price gone up and some expenses. Overall, they still know they are in a better position. No, is ऐसा ही होता है. Airline industry is like that only. That no, they if the oil price goes up, no, it will fall like anything. ओके, फॉल यानी उनका प्रॉफिट भी जंप होता है. तो इसलिए मैं देखो ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगा कि बहुत बड़ा नेगेटिव है, ये पता था इनका लॉस आएगा, लेकिन जब वो अगर ऑयल नीचे रहता है तो नेक्स्ट क्वार्टर नो इट में रिकवर एवरीथिंग अगेन. देयर लॉट मेनी एयरलाइंस वेयर एक्चुअली इन हॉल्टेड एंड ऑल दैट. सो आई एम नॉट टू मच कंसर्न अबाउट दैट. सो वो थोड़ा आप उस तरह से देख सकते हैं. सी ओवरऑल नो यू whenever you see the result, no, you have to see what was the expectation and what the result has come. दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू सी। अगर एक्सपेक्टेशन के हिसाब से रिजल्ट आ रहा है तो कोई टेंशन नहीं है, लेकिन हाँ, अगर एक्सपेक्टेशन का कुछ और ही था और कुछ और ही रिजल्ट है तो आपको टेंशन लेने की जरूरत है। सो कीप दिस इन माइंड, ओके, ऑलवेज। एंड ऑल्सो गाइस, स्टिल द रिजल्ट सीजन इज गोइंग ऑन। आई थिंक अभी अभी जो कैपिटल गुड्स और उन सब के तो रिजल्ट बाकी है, बहुत सारी कंपनीज के और बाकी है, तो वी हैव टू वेट हाउ द रिजल्ट्स फ्रॉम दैट एंगल विल आल्सो कम। लेकिन कीप एन आई गाइस, दिस इज समथिंग एज आई used to say, no, result season is not so up to the mark and up to the expectation, so one has to be very very careful, okay. uh, Agro Novatech, no, I am not too much bullish on that. Graphite India, Sankal, you can wait for some time for that stock. See the result how it is coming. Will sir, will the stock say, if yes, how much time? पंकज पता नहीं है ना यार, वो कब कब रिकवर होगा। और अभी तो ऐसा ही लग रहा है कि जैसे जैसे क्वार्टरली रिजल्ट आ रहा है, इट इज गिविंग कोई एक या दो स्टॉक पूरा मूड खराब कर देता है। लाइक यस्टरडे एक्चुअल लिटरली नो पूरा मूड खराब कर दिया। आज इंडसइंड बैंक एंड ऑल दैट, नो, तो कुछ ना कुछ आता है और पूरा मूड खराब करके जाता है। एंड इट इज क्रिएटिंग अ पैनिकिंग सिचुएशन नो अमंग द इन्वेस्टर। Investor already, if you see DII or investor, they are already facing a challenge of big FII selling pressure, okay. Now they are trying to catch as much as possible, लेकिन उसमें भी अगर रिजल्ट सीजन का पेन आता है ना, that is what is creating a tough situation for most of the investors. So one has to keep this in mind before so that's I know that is I'm talking कि इतना रश करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है। थोड़ा देख लो, थोड़ा समझ लो रिजल्ट का क्या आया है, कैसे करना है। एंड इफ यू वांट टू शफल योर पोर्टफोलियो, प्लीज प्लीज डू इट, नथिंग रॉन्ग इन दैट। क्योंकि अगर देखो, अगर आपका स्टॉक नीचे 20% 30% से गिर गया और आपको लगे कि ये और 20% गिरेगा, सामने आपको एक अच्छा स्टॉक भी 20% नीचे मिल रहा है, तो यू कैन ऑलवेज शफल, नो, बिकॉज देयर द गुड स्टॉक विल रिकवर योर मनी। सो इन दैट एंगल यू हैव टू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग, नो, व्हेन यू आर इन्वेस्टिंग इन दिस मार्केट। Okay, how about investing in AMC? Nippon, yeah, Nippon is okay. Nippon is okay. Someone new. Yeah, Rishitosh, Sachin. Uh, ऋषितोष वही मैं हमने पहले भी बात की कि ओवरऑल नो आपको थोड़ा अभी तो बैंकिंग में थोड़ा सिलेक्टिव रहना पड़ेगा। लार्ज बैंक्स में है, आईटी एक अच्छा है, आईटी में आप सोच सकते हो करंटली, और बाकी के रिजल्ट देखने पड़ेंगे हमें। और नो थोड़ा मैंने जैसे वो ज्वेलरी बिजनेस इज ओके, नो, ब्रोकेज बिजनेस, देन ये प्लेटफॉर्म बिजनेस एंड ऑल दैट, वो भी ठीक ठाक लग रहा है। ओके, डॉक्टर लखीर सिंह, ओके, बीएल इज स्ट्रॉन्ग, कीप इट नाउ। यस आसिफ, नो, रिलायंस हैज टाई अप विथ एनवीडिया, लेकिन वो सब लॉन्ग टर्म कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होते हैं, देखेंगे क्या होगा। Moil, Moil anyways is not a धीरा, it's a stock to keep it for long term. उसमें क्या होता है कि आप बिकॉज इट इज अ लाइक मेटल स्टॉक, नो, कभी कभी अच्छा चलेगा, नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा सब तक रहेगा, तो नो बी केयरफुल ऑन दैट पार्ट, ओके। तो जरूरी नहीं कि आपको हमेशा उसमें लगे रहना है, ओके। अच्छा, अगेन 1 मिनट, रिलायंस, यस, रिलायंस का तो हो गया। विप्रो, मारुति, सुजेन, मास्टर, तितर ये सब स्टॉक में अगर आपको वेट करना पड़ेगा अभी, और आई एम नॉट टू मच, यानी अभी तो किसी में जाने की इतनी जल्दी जरूरत नहीं है, थोड़ा वेट कर लो, ओके। क्या मार्केट सेटल होता है फिर सोचो। अगेन गाइस, इफ यू आर नॉट देयर इन अवर टेलीग्राम चैनल, आई हैव जस्ट गिवन द लिंक, ओके। 1 मिनट। पूना वाला फिनकॉप का रिजल्ट बहुत ही खराब आया गाइस। अमितवा तो उसके वजह से, रिजल्ट खराब के वजह से वो गिरा है, तो वो देखना पड़ेगा हमें, ओके। ओके, चले गाइस, यहीं तक रखते हैं अपने। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग गाइस, and hope you enjoyed, then just type yes in the chat box, why for yes. And guys, as I told you, be there on Sunday at 11 a.m. We'll have a special Diwali session. I'm just giving the link. No, do join on time. Okay. Chale guys, and also I've given a Twitter link and Telegram link. And thank you very much, guys. And yeah, be as I told you guys, this is the market where you have to be little bit cautious. जरूरी नहीं है आप कोई भी मोमेंटम स्टॉक्स में बाय कर लो. Please be careful and have a proper selection process. Just don't blindly go and invest in the stock. Okay, this is not the market which was used to invest 2 months ago. जब कहीं भी डालो वो भागता था, ऐसा नहीं है. अभी अभी थोड़ा केयरफुल. इवन फॉर अदानी स्टॉक धीरा, बी केयरफुल. ओके. And guys, hope you are going through our videos and all that. Sorry guys, I have not told you to like our video. Please like this video before going. Please do like this video, okay, before going. And thank you very much for joining. Okay, chaliye, thanks. See you, bye.